You've heard me say it in the past, sometimes we go to a restaurant and we have something we absolutely love and we're like, I could never make that at home. I don't know, do you think that, Ethan?
Yes.
Do you ever go to a restaurant and you're like, I'm never making this at home?
Yes, definitely.
Right? I feel like curry is one of those things, but it's so easy, so incredibly easy. Let me show you a lime coconut curry salmon and rice. That doesn't sound as sexy as I wanted it to.
No.
It's really good though. Let me show you how I like to make it. I was all stumbled. You just watch. We're gonna start with any pan that you like preheating on your griddle top. I've got some oil and some onions. Now today I don't necessarily want to talk too much about ingredients. I mean, we're going to. Don't worry, we're gonna talk about ingredients. This is more about staging your flavor, right? So I have onions, mushrooms, salt, and pepper, and I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. Right, I need to develop some of the sugar and I need to change the texture of the mushroom, so I need some time. From there, we're going to ginger paste and garlic paste. We're going to some of our spices. I'm using turmeric curry and some red curry paste. We're gonna stir that in and let that cook a little bit too, right? We're not adding everything at the same time. We started with oil, salt and pepper, onions and mushrooms. Give that a second. Now we're on to like the crazy delicious flavor and we're gonna let that go. This doesn't take long, but you do want to give your stages of flavor a chance to develop. That's what's key about curry. Adding tomatoes will start to cook down, releasing some of their juices, but they'll hold their shape mostly, but they start to break down, which is really nice. Then we go in with our coconut milk. You can go with salt and pepper if you like. You can add herbs here. I like a lot of cilantro. Add some of that, and like now we're in rest mode. Like just let it chill, let it cook. Let it bubble and boil. While that's going, let's get to our salmon. Very simple. Skinless salmon, salt and pepper, a little bit of curry powder. That's it. A little bit of oil down on your griddle at pretty high heat because we do want to cook this fast. We're not going well done. I kind of like a little bit of pink on the inside of my salmon, so let that cruise. I've got some rice. I'm just heating the rice up. Add some broccoli if you want. I do add it at the end so it doesn't get overcooked. I don't want mushy broccoli. I want a little crunch to it. This actually takes a lot less time than you would think. I mean, you look at the curry, you see how it's starting to develop, all those colors and flavors, everything is blooming, the aromas are through the roof. The salmon was so easy. All of this was very easy. Ethan, if you go have curry at a restaurant now, you feel like you could do it?
Yeah.
Here, taste it first, and then tell me if you think you could do it.
Okay, deal.
It's this giant portion. That's because I'm cooking for a bunch of people. I did mention having just a slight little bit of pink in the salmon. Don't overcook. Don't well done your salmon. Don't do that. I do, however, want to get into some of these vegetables. Now, the nice thing of serving this with rice, look, the rice catches all the sauce. So when you get the rice, the sauce comes with it. Oh, there's some of those onions. Here we go. Ethan's gonna love this one. I know for a fact. Andy is gonna love this one. You know who wouldn't love it?
CJ probably?
Good thing he's not
who shall remain nameless over here. Holy cow. The coconut and the curry are magical. They're magical. They're so good. Lime and the cilantro carry it to a different place. There's so many dynamic flavors going on in this dish, and it's too easy not to try. And it's beautiful. So beautiful, right?
That's awesome.
The most easy, simple curry you've ever made in your life. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. We will see you in the next video.